x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Okay, so this video is to show you how to graph from slope. Graphing from slope. This is the assignment that's up there right now on Khan Academy. And it says graph a line that contains the point 6, negative 5 and has a slope of negative 2/3. So the first part is I need to go and put one of these green dots, there's 2 green dots, and put one on the point 6, negative 5. So I go right 6 and then I go down 5 and I need to drag this green dot down to 6, negative 5. So that's that point. So that point is correct, and now I need to create a slope of negative 2/3. So a slope of negative 2/3. So first I'm going to get my green point real close to this, and I want it to be negative 2/3. And I could just adjust this graph until I see it. So this slope is down 1, right 2, right? Down 1, right 2. And that is negative 1/2. That's not what we want. We want negative 2/3. So if I come over here and drag this dot, now it's down to right 2. That's still not it. We want down to right 3. So then I drag it over here. That's down to and over 1, 2, 3, negative 2/3. That's the slope that I want. And it goes to the point 6, negative 5. And then I click on my button over here and it says it's correct. Hooray. So this is the assignment, graphing from slope in Khan Academy. And it gives me a slope. Our slope is negative 3/4. Let's write down what that means. Negative 3/4. Remember, this is rise over run. But if the rise is negative 3, that means the slope is down 3. And then we always run to the right. Down 3, right 4. So that's going to be our slope. And it contains this point. This point is the point 2, 3. So on our graph, we're going to go to the point 2, 3. Right 2, 1, 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3. And so this will be a point on the graph. So I'm going to put this green point right there because that point has to be on the point that they gave me. So 2, 3. Got it. Now, I need to take this other point and drag it so it is down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of this point. So here's my point. I need to go down 3, right 4. So here we go. I take this and drag it. So this is down 2, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 2, down 3, right 3, down 3, right 4. And then I can count. I can look at my paper, right? I can look at the computer screen and say, all right, I have gone down 1, 2, 3, down 3. There's my negative 3. And I've gone right 1, 2, 3, 4, down 3, right 4. So then I just hit check. It should be correct. All right, so I have another question. It says the graph that contains the point 4, 3 and has a slope of 1/2. Well, the slope of 1/2 means rise over run, up 1, right 2. And notice how I'm writing something down, right? We're all trying to do math in our head because we're on a computer, but you should have a piece of paper next to you and write this stuff down. So I'm going to plot this point, and from that point, I'm going to go up 1, right 2. So 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this point is going to be here. The point 4, 3 is right here. And then the slope of 1/2 means I go up 1 and right 2.
And I can take my time. There's no rush on these questions. After I put this point there, I recognize that this is the point 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, check, got that. And then I make sure I've gone up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. And now I know that I have the correct slope, so I can check. And this last question has the point negative 6, 1. Negative 6, 1 is my point. It has a slope of 5. Notice 5 is not a fraction. But if it's not a fraction, we can make it into a fraction. So this slope is 5. But that means the slope is 5 over 1, which again is rise over run, which means up 5, right 1. Up 5, right 1. So I'm going to first plot my point negative 6, 1. Negative 6, 1 is going to be here. And then from there, I'm going to go up 5, right 1. So negative 6, 1 is here. And up 5, right 1. Up 5. Let's see. This is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I missed it by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to go up 1 more. Up 5, right 1. All right, now I count to make sure. Up 1, 2, right? I'm counting spaces here. That's 1 space. 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 5, right 1. So that is correct. When I hit check, it should be correct, and I should get it right. Hooray!